The connection of horses and their persons, a special bond forms between them for life. On a beautiful day in the rolling hills, in the Kentucky horse countryside, a dedicated barn hand straps up the bridle, brushes out the mare or stallion. Beautiful athletes, all of them are. The jockey steps up in the saddle, takes the reins and gives them a tug.